Hey YouTube, it's Everything Apples Pro here. In this video, I'm excited to show how to jailbreak iOS 7.1 Beta 3 that was just released to developers and beta testers earlier today. I want to show how to jailbreak that untethered on all devices. Now, I'm going to be showing this on the iPhone 5S since it's the newest 8.7 device for the iPhone for iOS. And I'm showing this on a brand new software that was released earlier today to developers or beta testers. And there's really not too many brand new features in Beta 3, but probably the biggest change or feature is the new side the power off label or user interface on that. I'm not a big fan of it. To me, it looks like too much about the Maverick software. It just looks something like that with the white X button and the weird looking label there, or the user interface there. But you can definitely check the video out down in the description below, where I'll have down there how to easily install Beta 3 and the full features list. So that's just one feature, and I would like to know down in the comment section below if you do like Beta 3, if you're running it, and what you think about the new slide the power off user interface or label. I have talked to a lot of people via social media, and they have been telling me they don't like it, and I'm one of those people that really don't like it. I don't really want the Maverick software on my device completely. But there's a couple other features too, like the apps are tinted, and as you can see, here's the user interface now for the phone dialer. It's a little bit newer, tinted blue user interface and a green button that is circular. It looks a little bit different. I don't really like it too much, but I would like to know, like I said, in the comment section, if you do like the new software and what you think about the slide the power off label or user interface on it. Now, if you go ahead and right now, if you install Evasion 7 officially from the Evaders version 1.0.2 and open it up, it says sorry, the version of iOS, and there's the official build number. It's 11D5127C of the attached device, which is my iPhone 5S, is not supported, and it's grayed out for jailbreaking, so it won't let me jailbreak. And I've seen that before, and someone basically was able to go into the code. I'll actually show in a second how to do it, but you just go into the code in Evasion 7 and you basically just add the official beta build number, which is that build number I just read for Beta 3 of 7.1, into Evasion 7 to make it supported, and then you just close out of it, save it, and you open it back up and it'll work. So as you can see here, here's the modified version of Evasion 7, the same build and everything. It says it's compatible with my iPhone 5S with 7.1 Beta 3. And it even says I'm already jailbroken, so jailbreaking is not recommended again. I've already done it. I'm not going to redo it, but as you can see, my jailbreak button is not grayed out, and it could work completely fine. Now I'll actually go ahead and open it up and just show you what they did, or the person who edited did. Now, like I said, it is an unofficial beta build, or not a beta build, but just an unofficial build, and you can just open up the exe file and a text editor right here. That is the big file, which is 15.8 or 15.6 megabytes. And basically then you just go over here and you could go to edit, find, and then just search for the Beta 2 build number. And then you go here and there's all the build numbers it supports right here. I'll go ahead and click it so you can see what it looks like in blue. There's all the builds right here that's supported. And basically the person who modified it just went in and added the Beta 3 software, that build I read earlier, the 11D5127C build number right here for Beta 3. They just added it, and then edited it, closed it, and saved it, and then they went in and reopened it, and then it allowed to go ahead and open that and run it completely fine on Beta 3. Now that link for downloading this modified version will be down in the description below, and I can say it 100% works. I'm 100% backing this. Now I do note that it is a unofficial build of Evasion 7, so if you don't want to mess with this unofficial build, not by the Evaders released, basically the person who edited it just did what I just said, just opened it up and just what I just showed. I just added the beta build, so really did nothing else and edited nothing else. It'll work completely fine, and as you can see, here's my iPhone 5S, untethered, jailbroken, and here's the official build number again for 7.1 Beta 3, as you can see here if you haven't seen already. And that is the official build number of beta 3. And I've already shown the slide the power off user interface, which is new only in beta 3, and also the new phone dialer, or the new user interface in that, with a new green little circular button. So that is only features in 7.1 beta 3, just proving that I am running the new version of 7.1 beta 3. And then you can see right here, here's my official Cydia. When I open up, exactly the same as before, but now it says the same thing if you were in beta 1 or 2, but now I'm just on 7.1 beta 3 instead of beta 2 or beta 1. So what you're going to do is just download the unofficial build, or the edited build of Evasion 7. Like I said, will be down in the description below. And if you don't want to mess with it, that's completely fine. Go ahead and check evasion.com, the official website from the Evaders, or follow me on Twitter. Down in the description below will the link be. And I will be updating when they officially update the 7.1 beta 3 support. But right now, this is unofficial and it does work. So what you're going to do is just open it, connect your device USB cable or the lightning adapter like I've done for my iPhone 5S here. You're just going to click the jailbreak button once you plug your iOS device in, and like I said in the first video, yes, it does work for all iDevices, iPhones, iPods, and iPads. So just click the jailbreak button, and then it's going to go ahead and jailbreak, and it'll go ahead and reboot a couple times, and then once about 5, 6, 7 minutes are passed, it'll ask you to unlock your device once it boots back up, and go ahead and it'll put a Evasion 7 app icon, or an app, onto your springboard or home screen, just like the official build, or like other software versions or other Evasion softwares. And then you would just open that application, and it'll instantly either reboot or respring your device, and it'll go ahead and start running some other stuff, and then you'll have the official Evasion 7 logos, or the boot logos that come up on your device, and then it'll reboot a couple times, and then it'll boot back up, and there, as you can see here, is a running, completely fine, 100% running version of 7.1 beta 3 of the new device, the new software, and everything is running completely fine, as you can see here. So this is beta 3, and I've gone through the steps, and I will even leave a link down in the description below. Again, if you want to jailbreak, I will leave that link for the unofficial build, and I will leave the playlist down in the description below also, if you're interested in seeing a step-by-step tutorial and didn't understand things I was talking about in the video. So it would help a lot in return if you liked and subscribed. Now remember, you can officially jailbreak 7.1 beta 3 soon using Evasion 7 officially by the Evaders, but right now if you want to do it sometime soon, make sure to download the modified version if it doesn't bother you, and go ahead and jailbreak using the steps I've already said going through a couple of minutes ago. So make sure to like and subscribe. It's everything Apples Pro. Please subscribe and favorite this video, and share it to everyone so they would know how to jailbreak 7.1 beta 3. Make sure to see my next videos coming soon. It's everything Apples Pro. Peace.